Heartburn, that familiar burning sensation in the chest, can be a frequent discomfort for seniors due to age-related changes like weakened digestive muscles or medication side effects. Here are easy, natural ways to manage and prevent heartburn effectively. Understanding heartburn. Heartburn is not a problem resulting from too much acid, it's a valve problem. Keeping the pH of the stomach between 1 and 3 keeps the valve shut. Antacids only work for a short time to keep your symptoms under control. Through prolonged use, antacids will only make heartburn worse by depleting your stomach acid. Effective solutions for seniors. The good news is that many effective strategies can help seniors find relief from heartburn. The best and easy solutions to manage heartburn are discussed here. Nutrients to control heartburn. The most important nutrient to eliminate and prevent heartburn is vitamin B1, thiamine. Your stomach cannot produce acid when you're deficient in vitamin B1. A diet high in carbs depletes B1. Low B1 deprives the autonomic nervous system, which controls the valves of the stomach. Look for a natural source of vitamin B1 to get rid of heartburn. Potassium and zinc are very important for your stomach acid. Also, make sure you're getting plenty of sea salt. Increase your stomach acid. Manage to increase your stomach acid as this triggers the valve at the top of the stomach to close. Apple cider vinegar and lemon can help acidify the stomach. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Large meals can put pressure on the stomach, pushing acid into the esophagus. Opt for smaller portions spread across 4 to 5 meals daily. Chew slowly to aid digestion. Avoid trigger foods. Common trigger culprits include spicy foods, citrus, tomatoes, chocolate, caffeine, and fatty or fried items. Keep a food diary to identify personal triggers and limit them. Stay upright after eating. Lying down right after a meal can worsen acid reflux. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. A short walk after eating can also promote digestion and reduce acid backup. Elevate the head of your bed. Raise the head of your bed by 6 to 8 inches using bed risers or using blocks under the bed frame, not just extra pillows. This can help prevent acid from flowing back into the esophagus during sleep. Incorporate ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the digestive tract. Sip ginger tea or chew a small piece of fresh ginger. Chew gum or suck on licorice root. Chewing sugar-free gum for 30 minutes after meals boosts saliva production, which neutralizes stomach acid. Alternatively, deglycyrrhizonated licorice, DGL, lozenges can coat the esophagus and ease irritation. Stay hydrated, but sip slowly. Drink water throughout the day to dilute stomach acid, but avoid drinking large amounts during meals, as this can increase stomach pressure. Manage stress. Stress can worsen heartburn by increasing acid production. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, gentle yoga, or meditation for 5 to 10 minutes daily can help. Wear loose clothing. Tight belts or waistbands can squeeze the stomach, worsening acid reflux. Choose loose, comfortable clothing, especially around the abdomen, to reduce pressure. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, particularly around the midsection, can push on the stomach and trigger reflux. Even losing 5 to 10 pounds through a balanced diet and light exercise can make a difference. These strategies are practical and senior-friendly. Don't let heartburn be a constant companion. With the right strategies and support, seniors can find effective solutions to live more comfortably and enjoy their golden years to the fullest. Also, check with a healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you're on medications or have conditions like kidney disease or hypertension.